In this tutorial, we will see how to download open data to analyze in Apache Spark. Our virtual machine is running on Azure Cloud and connected. So change directory to OPT Zeppelin. Inside this, check these are the directories already existing. Make a new directory with the name of trip data. Change to this trip data directory. Now this directory is empty. Now we will download data from the open data site. In Google, type yellow taxi data and click on the link. This is basically open data set available online on the NYC site. These are the data sets available for different years. Now you can see in 2017 or 18, these are distributed monthly. If you right click on any of the link inside the month like yellow, then you can see the copy link is available. This is basically CSV file. Use wget and download it. Once file has been downloaded, you can see the disk usage of that directory by using the du command, or you can see the full listing of the files with their size by ls-l. Okay, so if you are looking to download all those files across those years, like for example 2015 to 2017, then you can copy this command and directly paste it to the shell and just enter. It will immediately start downloading files one by one from year 15 to 17.